if you're new to the channel, I just bought this 2000 Mustang GT, but not just any GT, it has a Gen 2 5-liter Coyote swap in it. It's also retaining the factory 5-speed, which is a TR3650. These are found in like 3-valve Mustangs and things like that, the later 2-valve Mustangs. Now, if you're interested in Coyote swapping your new Edge Mustang, here's some POV video of me driving it. It's pretty loud, it doesn't have any mufflers on it, but this should give you a good little how it's gonna be. It's very rowdy, it's very, very fun to drive. So hope you guys enjoy it. You guys give me a like, subscribe, and let's jump into the video.
See if I can get a pull right here real quick. This thing fucking moves, bro. Love this car, bruh. It moves, it's loud, but I don't like the sound. I like the way it drives. I love the way this thing drives. There's a little bit of vibration in the steering wheel. It could be the tires need to be balanced, most likely. But yeah. You guys can't see I can't see any RPMs or anything like that. So I'm just going off of what I know is correct. See how it does in traffic. There's not a road test without traffic, my guy. It's a little jumpy here and there. Like, I'm not even getting in it. Like, this is literally like normal driving. The windows up. There's no AC, so I'm sweating my balls off for you guys. I'm gonna put the windows down so you guys can hear it. God, did you see that Z01 front bumper conversion? Jesus fucking Christ. You can hear the fuel pump in the back. This car's, it's pretty livable. I mean, if I had AC, if I can blow this AC, I would love this car. I like this car right now. I would love it if air blew out this bitch right here. Cold air right into the balls, into the face. I would love this car. I'm gonna stop and get some fuel just to make sure. Yes, sir. Fuck, I don't have no cup holders. I was about to pop this open and drink something. I don't got no fucking cup holders. Jacques, you sold me a bad vehicle. There's no cup holders in there. You gypped me, man. I want my money back. Pull out of it. See, it doesn't want to do quick shifting like that. It does not want to do quick shifting. Like I tried to push it, I was right there, trying to push it in and didn't want to go. I just let off. It's the whole thing. It needs to be adjusted. It's almost like a high RPM lockout. I heard about that with, I know with MT82s, but I don't think that's a thing with TR3650s. cruising in a Coyote swap new edge. Like, bro, I'm living life right now. This just makes me more pumped for when the wagon is done, because the wagon is gonna be 416 stroker, Kong blower, 1,000 horsepower, but I'm gonna have leather seats, heated seats, and all that type of shit. I'm gonna have a GPS. It's gonna be a nice, comfortable car. So, like, man, this is just getting me more and more hype. Like, I love this car right now. Plus, it's a manual finally on the channel. Having fun. Rev match, hey. This thing is so janky, but it's fucking awesome. I love the jankiness. Yeah, it'll fit in here. Got nothing but junk in the fucking drive. Yeah, that should be good. But yeah, this bitch is fucking loud, dude. That's a POV drive, I guess. Give it a couple revs. Holy shit, my eardrums are bleeding. The neighbors are probably pissed. Hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe, I guess. I'll do more of these if you guys like it. So hopefully I can get to do one on a 1,000 horsepower wagon coming up. Do another one on a, what else I have? Turbo LS 240 SX. Another update in a week. I have to go to Texas. I'm gonna be doing a review on a 10-speed 5.0 Mustang. So it's gonna be another review I get to do. So hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sweaty as fuck. I do this for you guys' enjoyment. Just drop a like, drop a subscribe. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. Peace.